Welcome to Fab-Rite Services Structural Steel Division, where strength and precision come together. Our state-of-the-art beamline is capable of handling beams up to 44 inches deep, making it perfect for large-scale structural steel projects.
The beamline allows us to process and fabricate large beams with precision, ensuring that every beam meets our high standards of quality and accuracy.
Our automated beamline precisely drills holes, scribes layout marks and part marks, and saw cuts our material to length. This helps expedite the fabrication process and maintains consistency.
Our advanced shot blaster ensures that every steel component is cleaned and prepared to the highest standards before fabrication and assembly.
Our shot blaster cleans the surface of the steel, providing the ideal surfaces for welding and painting. This step is crucial to ensure the longevity and durability of our fabricated components.
By using the shot blaster, we ensure that every piece of structural steel we produce is ready for fabrication and assembly, meeting the rigorous demands of our clients.
Our commitment to quality and precision in our structural steel fabrication sets us apart. We take pride delivering products that meet and exceed our clients' expectations.
Fab-Rite Services, your trusted partner for superior structural steel fabrication. Let's build the future together.